While Skye puts out the Lighthouse fire, I need you to rescue Francois and Cap'n Turbot.
You got it, dude!
Rescue buoys!
Oh, Horatio, overalls are so last season.
Whew, thanks, Zuma. You pulled us from peril with primo precision. But what do we do about my flaming flounder?
I'm on it, dude! Hang on! Rough! Fan cannons! Flounder's all over the place! I can't spray it long enough to put out the fire! Marshall, look! The flounder is headed for Adventure Bay. I've got it! Rubble, get your dump truck and hurry to the Adventure Bay Bridge. I'll tell you the plan when I get to the pier. Rubble on the double for red hot trouble.
Look, Rubble's on the bridge.
Marshall to Zuma, we have a plan to put out the flounder fire. All right, Rubble. As soon as the flounder goes under the bridge,
Dump all of the sand you've got onto the fire.
it should be enough to smother the flames and put them out for good.
I can dig it, Marshall, and I can dump it, too. Ready, steady, now! Woohoo! Perfect shot!
Is the fire out?
Let me check. Rough thermal imager. Yes! The flames are out and the flounder is safe to board.
Ask your parents to subscribe to the Toymation YouTube channel.